Hello, hi. Um, Today I just wanted to share with you a very interesting video about it's about a property developer company, and I just want to show you something called the modular homes. They're actually prefab homes where they manufacture all the parts like Legos in from the factory, and then basically they will just mass deliver and fix them, install them on land. So basically, they constitute like steel, glass, and what you call aluminium. So I'll show you a couple of very interesting stuff about it.
It is 4 modules, and each module is 80 square feet. And let's take a look around the corner here just so that you can see kind of what it looks like from the outside. New Community is working on establishing 3 communities, New Mountain and New Lake Travis in Travis County, and New Forest in Bastrop County. And a lot of people that are coming to work at Tesla's Gigafactory are already interested in this new community.
So the whole concept of this is like, you don't need to buy a 5,000 square foot home. And
right.
Because there's a lot of people that don't need that.
And so this is skyscraper glass. It's double paned and it gives you that feeling of luxury, and it's open, but it's also affordable. When you think of a modular home, you may think that it's inferior to a traditionally built robotics to build them. And when you think of modular homes, you probably don't think about one with a Doge doghouse or with Cybertruck in mind. So what is this?
Oh, that's
going
our
on there?
Dogecoin doghouse.
What?
Yeah, so you
the hell's that?
yeah. So it's like it's a doghouse where you can put in like an FSD card, and the dog can come in and out of the home.
Oh my god!
And you can put like whatever you want, but for this example we use the Dogecoin symbol.
Of course.
Yeah. There's never been.
So of course, this particular company is called New Community, and they are doing this kind of modular homes with solar panels and all that as well. And the company is founded by Jonathan Jenkins. And of course, the only thing is that currently there are other competitors in the modular homes as well. Some they uses this technology called 3D printers, um, which is like I show you the 3D printer. Anyway, so basically, with all this logistic issue on carrying like those conventional building of like piling works, and then you do columns with steel bars and cement, and you need like ready mixed concrete that's nearby. Those are all things that you want to do away with in this inflationary environment. So, but the only thing about this thing called New Communities by the guy called Jonathan, right? It's not listed yet, so there are still many companies that are, very into modular homes, and we're primarily focusing on areas like Austin, Texas, because Austin, Texas, this is going to be the new factory hub, and also the new Silicon Valley to compete with California's Silicon Valley. And there's been a lot of migration, and like Tesla Gigafactory in Austin, they are going to employ 100,000 people. So I just want to show you a couple of videos on the demands that are just outstrip the supplies. So let's show you a bit here.
For these Tesla employees.
I'm scared for people that are going to be moving here and working in any capacity, but people coming for Tesla, SpaceX, whatever else is coming. You've also got Google, Apple, Amazon. We built 40,000 homes last year in Austin, but 65,000 people moved here.
Whoa.
My projections are 100,000 people move here this year. Maybe we get to 45,000 homes. The problem is most of the new construction is out in the periphery, 45 minutes to an hour out.
Yeah.
So if you want to get something central, it's existing inventory. Example, I've got folks looking in Westlake, just west of town, and right now, out of the 11,000 homes that are there that run 8 miles from downtown going west, there's 17 on the market. That is it. We can't even get over 20 homes.
So what's the solution?
New community. You're actually about to go see it. I mean, what you need is factory built homes that can come off the assembly line at full capacity. Maybe we do 100, 1,000. We can get to 10,000, 50,000 homes a month, and they're agnostic. They can be placed anywhere. For new community, we have over 3,000 acres in Austin, so we have the capacity in Austin to create these developments. But really, the goal is to solve housing for the planet, and that's really sounds like a crazy ambition, but that's really the goal. You'll see when you get there what we're looking at, but we can't.
Dog can come in.
So, as I mentioned to you earlier, it's coming to reality. All those developer, especially those that are working towards using new technology to build homes, and there is one that is listed right now, which would like to introduce to you. It's called Sun Communities. It's a manufactured home communities, and personally, I felt that this company has a lot of upsides. As you can see, the shares are actually slowly edging up as well. It has a dividend, and it has a PE ratio of 1.94. If you look at the 5-day chart as well, there is this slowly uptrending uh, positive signs that's happening for the company. Um, I will do another video separately on another day to discuss about the property developers that will benefit for on those all those big factories opening in Austin, Texas. Tesla is the one that's upcoming, which is they are going to open on the 14th of April, which is another 2 weeks away. And of course, they have to scale up their production from one line production to second 2 lines and then to 3 lines and all that. So you will see the migration of people to Austin um, going exponential. As you can see, housing needs are clearly in shortage, and there's no uh, shortcut to all this except this kind of modular homes. And Sun Community is a publicly traded real estate investment trust that invests in manufactured housing communities, recreational vehicle resorts, and marines. So I have a lot of confidence in this stock. As you can see over here as well, it looks like a little consolidation period or maybe a descending triangle period. So it's definitely a company that has a long proven track record. It was formed way back in 1975. So I see opportunity in this business, despite inflation in this inflationary environment, with rising costs and all that. And it's just the demand for these houses may skyrocket in Austin, Texas area in particular. And these houses are not cheap. They are 460,000 US dollars onwards. And these modular houses, you can actually uh, piece them together part by part. You can do a 2 bedroom, 2 toilets. You can do a 2 bedroom, 1 toilet, and it's quite easy to assemble and quick and effective and efficient. So, yeah, that's all for today. Thank you very much.